Hello friends, how are you? I think you all are doing great. So, yesterday I make a video with my friends on English conversation. So, on that video I have received a lot of comments and lot of compliments on this video. Some compliment was good and some compliments was something ungood. Okay, so some people says to me in this video on that video, how you gain this kind of fluency. I want to gain this kind of fluency like you. I want to speak like you. So I want to say those people, I don't have any kind of jaddi booty, so I have taken with water so I can become a fluent. Okay, so I just put a lot of hard work to gain this kind of fluency because you I have already told you, because I have put my lot of hard work to gain this kind of fluency. Okay, I have been 3 months complete to gain and just learning this language. Okay, so you have to just do like me. Okay, you also put your hard work to gain this kind of fluency. I don't talk about only the English speaking. If you want to achieve something in your life, so you have to put your hard work. So I have put my hard work and I just gain little kind of fluency. I'm not a fluent. I just told many videos. I just told you I'm not a fluent in English speaking, but I'm still learning and just I want to become a fluent in English speaking. Okay, so I want to share you one thing that you can do to improve your English speaking skills. Okay, so first you have to just remember the vocabulary. Vocabulary is the foundation of the any language. Okay, if you want to become a fluent and if you want to just speak English speaking, just speak in English, so you have to grab the vocabulary. Okay, and where you grab the vocabulary, you have to grab vocabulary like to watching the podcast, and also if you are interesting to watch the movie, so you can take the vocabulary. You just pick up the vocabulary from the movies and just write the vocabulary in your notebook and just make the sentence by using those vocabulary. Please don't try to help with the chat gtp. Make the sentence by yourself. Okay, so just go and mention your all the things in English. Okay, and if you face any kind of problem, so your brother is available 24 into 7. Okay, so you can message me. And also, if you did not subscribe my channel yet, so please subscribe my channel. If you want to watch more videos on English speaking, so please subscribe my channel. Okay, so take care, bye bye.